Web scraping used to be hard. You needed to know Python or buy expensive software that required a PhD to figure out. But what if you could just talk to an AI agent in plain English and tell it what data you want? For example, get me all the product names and prices from this page. And boom, it's done. This AI scrapes websites with one sentence, and it's shockingly fast. Thunderbit is the Chrome extension that turns web scraping into a 30-second task. Thunderbit AI Web Scraper is a tool you can use in Chrome. It helps you get information from websites and put it into a table. Thunderbit's AI can also help you understand, sort, change, or fix the data so you can use it right away. Today on Ray Creators Lab, I'm showing you Thunderbit. I'll explain what it is, show you some of the features, and guide you on how to use it. First, you need to install Thunderbit and register an account with them. I have included the link in the description of this video. Go ahead and sign up, then just open Thunderbit Chrome extension whenever you want to scrape a website. It's that simple. Now let me show you some of the amazing features of Thunderbit. One of the features of Thunderbit is that it helps you to extract information from any website using natural language. There is no more tricky website stuff. You don't need to make a new tool for each website. Just write the column names and data types you want and let the AI do the rest. That's all. With Thunderbit, you can scrape any website in just 2 clicks. The AI organizes the website and extracts tables for you, enabling 2-click website scraping. Thunderbit also scrapes PDFs, images, and documents, acting like an intern to complete tables. With Thunderbit, you can also carry out subpage scraping. Let AI go to each linked page, find important information, and add it to new columns in your table. You won't have to open 20 tabs and copy-paste into Excel anymore. If you value your time, you need to stop manual scraping. Thunderbit is shockingly fast, and the fact that you can use plain English makes it accessible to anyone. I've left a link in the description below so you can install it and try it out yourself. Go see how much time you can save in just 30 seconds. If this video saved you from future copy-paste headaches, hit that like button and subscribe to Ray Creators Lab for more no-code AI tools that make your life easier. Thanks for watching.